In this short video, I will share how to withdraw fund from Interactive Brokers account gamit ang mobile app. As you know, pinablock ng SEC at BSP ang Interactive Brokers sa Philippines. So, nakablock ang Interactive Brokers sa Globe and PLDT. Accessible pa rin naman ang Interactive Brokers account sa mobile app except account management for Globe and PLDT users. I am using my backup internet na hindi Globe, kaya I can access the account management sa mobile app ko. Kung di mo ma-access sa mobile app, sa website ka lang pwedeng mag-withdraw. Pero same procedure din. Log into your Interactive Brokers account, tap Transfer, and then tap Withdraw Funds. Continue to Account Management, and then select a withdrawal method. Meron tayong dalawang options. Bank wire pag gusto mong mag-transfer from Interactive Brokers account to your bank account sa Philippines. Other option is transfer to Wise. Pinakamadali ang mag-transfer to Wise. At mas mura ang fee pag mag-transfer ka from Wise to your bank account sa Philippines. Pero kailangan mo ng account sa Wise para makonect mo ang Wise account mo sa Interactive Brokers. Save your Wise account bank details. Since nakalink na ang Wise account ko sa Interactive Brokers account ko, diretso withdraw na ako. Choose transfer to Wise Balance USD account and then check bank account details kung tama. You can find your bank account details sa Wise account mo. And then input amount to withdraw and then create withdrawal. Tap continue, then confirm withdrawal. Input username and password to confirm your withdrawal. Last step is authorize your withdrawal. Withdrawal will be processed within 1 to 2 banking days, hindi kasama ang weekend. Sa akin, kinagabihan na ng next banking day na deposit sa Wise account ko, ang fund ko from Interactive Brokers.